Located in Istanbul, Turkey, the building has served as a cathedral, mosque, and museum, and its long and storied history reflects the diverse cultural influences that have shaped the city over the centuries. The original Hagia Sophia was built in the 6th century under the direction of the Byzantine Emperor Justinian I. It was designed to be the grandest and most impressive church in all of Christendom, and the architects and engineers who worked on the project pulled out all the stops to make it a truly awe-inspiring structure. The resulting building was a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture, with its massive dome and grand interior spaces, and it quickly became a symbol of the power and wealth of the Byzantine Empire. Over the centuries, Hagia Sophia has undergone numerous renovations and changes. In 1204, during the Fourth Crusade, the building was converted into a Roman Catholic cathedral. In 1261, the Byzantines regained control of the city and the building was once again used as an Eastern Orthodox cathedral. In the 15th century, following the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople, the building was turned into a mosque. In 1935, the Republic of Turkey was established and the building was transformed into a museum. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors each year from around the world. Despite all of the changes that it has undergone over the centuries, Hagia Sophia remains a stunning example of architectural achievement. Its massive dome, which is over 100 feet in diameter and rises more than 180 feet above the ground, is still an engineering marvel, and the interior of the building is filled with beautiful mosaics, frescoes, and other works of art that attest to the skill and talent of the artists who created them. Whether you are interested in history, art, or architecture, Hagia Sophia is a must-see destination that offers something for everyone. Its long and storied history and its enduring beauty make it a truly special place, and one that will leave a lasting impression on all who visit. Hagia Sophia is a truly remarkable building that has stood the test of time for over 1,500 years. Its long and varied history reflects the diverse cultural influences that have shaped the city of Istanbul over the centuries, and it has served as a symbol of power, wealth, and religious devotion for many different groups of people. One of the most striking features of Hagia Sophia is its massive dome, which rises more than 180 feet above the ground and is supported by 4 massive piers. The dome is decorated with intricate mosaics that depict scenes from the Bible, and it is topped with a small cupola that allows natural light to filter into the building. The interior of the building is equally impressive, with its grand spaces, marble floors, and ornate decorations. In addition to its architectural and engineering achievements, Hagia Sophia is also notable for its cultural significance. It has been a center of religious worship for centuries, and it has been visited by countless people who have come to pray, meditate, or simply marvel at its beauty. It has also been a source of inspiration for many artists and writers, who have been drawn to its grandeur and history. Today, Hagia Sophia is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist attraction. Visitors to the building can explore its grand spaces and marvel at its many works of art and architectural details. It is also possible to take guided tours of the building, which provide more information about its history and significance. Overall, Hagia Sophia is a must-see destination for anyone interested in history, art, or architecture. Its enduring beauty and rich cultural significance make it a truly special place, and one that will leave a lasting impression on all who visit. In addition to its impressive architecture and cultural significance, Hagia Sophia is also known for its acoustics. The dome of the building is designed in such a way that it amplifies sound, making it possible for people to hear someone speaking in a normal voice from anywhere in the building. This design feature was likely intentional, as it would have allowed the clergy to be heard clearly by all of the worshippers in the cathedral. Another interesting aspect of Hagia Sophia is the presence of several minarets, which are tall, slender towers that are characteristic of Islamic architecture. These minarets were added to the building during the Ottoman period, when it was used as a mosque, and they served as the place where the call to prayer was made. Despite the many changes that Hagia Sophia has undergone over the centuries, it remains a beloved and iconic symbol of Istanbul and a testament to the city's rich cultural history. Whether you are interested in history, art, or architecture, it is well worth a visit to experience the grandeur and beauty of this amazing building for yourself. As a museum, Hagia Sophia is home to a number of important works of art and cultural artifacts. These include beautiful mosaics and frescoes that depict scenes from the Bible and other religious themes, as well as intricate carvings and decorations that adorn the walls and ceilings of the building. One of the most famous mosaics in Hagia Sophia is known as the Jesus mosaic, which depicts Jesus Christ in the center, surrounded by Mary and John the Baptist. This mosaic is located in the apse of the building, and it is considered to be one of the finest examples of Byzantine art in the world. Other notable mosaics in the building include the Christ Pantocrator mosaic, which is located in the dome, and the Hagia mosaic, which depicts the Virgin Mary. In addition to its mosaics, Hagia Sophia is also home to a number of other important works of art and cultural artifacts. These include marble columns and stone carvings, as well as brass and bronze objects that were used in the building's original construction. Many of these objects are on display for visitors to see and appreciate, providing a unique glimpse into the history and culture of the building. Overall, Hagia Sophia is a treasure trove of cultural and artistic riches, and it is well worth a visit for anyone interested in these subjects. Its rich history and beautiful decorations make it a truly special place, and one that will leave a lasting impression on all who visit.